Hello everyone, so welcome to physics class. For a freely falling body, ratio of the velocity is equated at the end of 1 second, 2 seconds and 3 seconds is. So that means there is a body freely falling from certain height and its initial velocity is 0, a is equals to plus g, and it is falling down. We had to find the ratio of velocities acquired for 1 second, for 2 seconds, from here to here 2 seconds, and from here to here 3 seconds, and so on. Here velocity v1, v2, v3 and so on, that we had to find. So v equal to v1, v2, v3 we had to find, as well as we had to find the ratio of those velocities also. V equal to u plus at, freely falling body, u value 0 plus a g. So v equal to, we can write gt. In this one, for 1 second if you want to find the velocity, then v1 is equals to g will get. For 2 seconds v2 is equals to t value 2 seconds, so 2g will get. And for 3 seconds 3g, so v1 is 2, v2 is 2, v3 is equals to g is to 2g is to 3g, and so on. And this is also so on only. So g common, 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to, and so on. So this is the answer for the question. We go to the next question. So for a freely falling body, ratio of time taken to travel first meter, second meter, third meter, and so on, that we had to find. So for a freely falling body, ratio of time taken, here also freely falling body, u equal to 0 and a equal to plus g. First meter, what is the time it is taken? That I am taking is t1. And for second meter, so t if you are taking first meter, t dash if you are taking second meter, for third meter t double dash you are taking. But what is the time taken by the first meter? t1 as well as t, both are same. And for 2 meters t2, and for 3 meters t3 time it is taking, and so on. For first meter t1, for second meter, for 2 meters t2, for 3 meters t3. But first meter t and the t1 and t are same only. And for second meter t dash, if you want to get the t dash, we had to subtract t1 from t2, then you will get t dash. For third meter, if you want to get t2 t3, we had to subtract from t2, then you will get t double dash it is. So first of all, t1, t2, t3 we find, after that subtraction process will take place later. Now for this we are going to take an equation, us is equal to ut plus half gt square or else at square. 1 meter distance, 1 meter is equals to u value 0 into something, some 0 only will get, it is half g t square is nothing but t1 square I am taking. Then t1 square equal to 2 goes to numerator and g goes to denominator, so that we can write t by g, 2 by g, sorry, t1 equal to under root 2 by g will get, it is t1 and t are same only, so this you can take as like a t it is. And for t2, for 2 meters, what is the time taken? S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equals to, is nothing but 2 meters is equals to 0 into t, 0 only, plus half g t square, that means t2 square. So from this one you can write t2 square is equals to 2 to the 4 by g, then t2 is equals to 2 by root g will get this. And next, for 3 seconds if you are taking, sorry, for 3 meters if you are taking, 3 is equals to half g t3 square, that implies t3 square is equals to 6 by g, so t3 is equals to root 6 by g. So we got t1, t2, t3. So t1 is nothing but t. So t dash if you want to get, so t2 minus t1, t dash is equals to t2 minus t1. t2 value 2 by root g minus t1 value root 2 by root g we can write. So that implies 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root g minus root 2 by g. T dash is equals to, we can take common root 2 by g, so root 2 minus 1 we can write it is. T dash we got, and next one t double dash we had to find. T double dash is equals to t3 minus t2. t3 minus t2, that implies t3 value root 6. Root 6 is nothing but root 3 into root 2 by root g minus t2 value 2. 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2 also we can write by. So root 2 into root 2 by root g. So from this one again we can take common root 2 by root g. So what are you going to get here? Root 3 minus root 2 you will get this. So now we have to find the ratio of t1, t is to, t1 is to, t2, t is to, t dash is to, t double dash we had to find. T is to, t dash is to, t double dash, that equal to t is nothing but t1 now. Root 2 by root g is to, and so on actually. T dash root 2 by root g into root 2 minus 1 is to, and t double dash root 2 by root g into root 3 minus root 2, and so on. So root 2 by root g, root 2 by root g, root 2 by root g cancel. 1 is to root 2 minus 1 is to root 3 minus root 2 is to, and so on you will get. So this is the solution for the problem.